Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I will start the tutorials of the Solidworks surfacing, which is very crucial. And I think to make this kind of car with the perfection, you need to learn Solidworks surfacing from the basic to advanced, right? So from this video I will start the basic of the surfacing. As you can see, I have made this car, and if you closely look at that, it is created from the surfaces, right? So how to master the surfacing of SolidWorks, right? It needs a lot of practice and lot of patience. So let's start it from the basic. I will create one part, and as you can see, the surface is there. If it is not there, you can just go to the tabs and click it on from this command manager. So as you can see, you will see the same feature which is having the 3D features. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this basic feature, but you should have practice how to use that in a better way, because it is very useful when you are doing the car modeling or something very complex structures, right? Just like making the chairs and all. So making those all structure, you need to learn from the basic. I will start, let's say, if I draw a rectangle, it is not, if I extrude this, it will not extrude like a 3D, right? It will not become a solid. So what if I do extrude? If I do extrude, it will create the line. Okay, it is having a 0 thickness, so it will not have the mass and all. Okay, afterwards you can give the solid thickness. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 0 thickness geometry I have created. If you see from the front, you will see only line. If you closely zoom in this one, you will not find any thickness over here. So this is what surface is creating, right? If I delete this, and it is very useful commands, right? If you do the revolve, and what you want to revolve, you just have to, so in this I have to create this as a for construction, and now I will revolve this. Okay, as you can see, it looks like a solid, but from, if you look closely from the inner side, it will be hollow, right? 0 thickness geometry, as you can see. If I count this, no thickness will come, right? If I select this and select this, no thickness will come. So same as well, swap command is there, loft command is there. Loft command and boundary surface is very useful in the surfacing, right? So how to use it? Let's start. If I am creating one circle and one plane, I am taking from the front plane, let's say 100 millimeter away, and I am drawing one complex. Let's say I am drawing one hexagon. Okay, a big hexagon, and okay. As you can see, I have both sketches over here. If you use the loft command on that, loft surface, and select your profiles. If you have any guide curve, you can do. Okay, I already explained how to create the guide curves in the previous videos, right? So accordingly, you can just use the loft command like that in the surfaces, right? Also, you can use the boundary, yeah. So as you can see, now what is the difference between boundary command and loft command? I will explain you. If you see the control points, right, you can move the control points anywhere in the boundaries, anywhere. There is no jumping or pointing to this geometry points, right, directly. And if you closely look at the loft command, if I select this both profiles, if I move this, so it will directly jump onto the next point. So if you want to if you want to select the previous point, or like a very specific point of the geometry, then you can select the loft command and if you want like quality surface and you want to maintain the continuity, so you can use the boundary command. So accordingly you can use whatever your, however your function is there, right? Now there is a fill surface. Okay, fill surface is there. So what it is doing actually, fill surface is filling the sketch areas, right? Let's say, yeah, it also fills in the 3D as well. I will explain it in later. And some of commands are there. Offset, this command we will explain in the future videos. It will have the more parts because we have to explain it in very detail, like it is very crucial command surfaces, right? So for that you have to keep watching, keep sharing and keep liking. Thank you so much.